Aviation chemicals are used to clean, protect, operate and maintain aircraft components, ensuring optimum safety and performance. They help prevent corrosion, reduce contamination, and keep aircraft operating efficiently in demanding conditions. At ReAgent, we manufacture and supply a wide range of chemicals to the aviation industry. Our products are used in applications such as surface cleaning, degreasing, component testing, and fluid analysis. Some of the chemicals we supply include high-purity solvents, corrosion inhibitors, and cleaning agents, all manufactured to support strict aviation standards. Whether you're servicing airframes, maintaining engines, or testing fuel systems, the chemicals we supply play a critical role throughout the aviation supply chain. ReAgent develops tailored formulations for the specific requirements of aviation maintenance and production. Our facilities support both custom, small runs and high volume production, with batch traceability, reliable lead times and hands-on technical support. We're certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001, ensuring strict quality, safety and environmental compliance. All products are tested by our in-house technical and quality teams to meet the needs of the highly regulated aviation industry. From routine maintenance to critical part cleaning, the aviation industry relies on chemical suppliers who deliver accuracy, consistency and control. Get in touch to see how ReAgent can support your business.